a very good person. President Mahama was such a person, say, now or drink Ghana. One fan ne pe anye bibi ane mwa Ghana. Say President Mahama, eye bibi, na eye ne personal something so the boy Ghana, ene President Mahama or vision papa. Because normal kesia, President Mahama ye you know. A big currency that, Terminal 3, Kotoka International Airport. If say Papa waits now on a personal project, I clap for him. I am telling you, when the idea, so making sure say there will be a senior high schools in all, especially in some communities in Ghana. It's a man a community senior high schools here. Then, if such a person, because through the personal ideas, no what me I execute such projects are. It tells you say President Mama, or you're the best president for this country today. As I'm speaking to you now. Nana do don't for they say on the any personal agenda. On the on Ghana for na edging. And then let's compare Nanado's administration and that of President Mahama's administration. A man for afi President Mahama papa because that President Mahama ye nipa bi na drink Ghana for ho. And then no ma ekono enye airtime. And no ma ekono enye airtime. Na me nue kasa say dumso ubo dumso anu akai President John Dramani Mahama. I am sorry. Dumso Jerry experience Dumso. President Kufuor experience Dumso. Mills, President Mills experience Dumso. And President Mahama experience Dumso. The problem was that imagine say gadgets are war. Na sa gadgets no about in fact 3 and 10 people they use a gadget. Na sa gadget no more use no for a period of time. Now nipe use about 100. The same gadget. And the President Mahama Befisi, very difficult situation. I am telling you, say, it was President John Dramani Mahama and a Befisi Dumso and NPP for 8 good, almost 6 to 7 years. Or we enjoy that benefit. And then me say a dear deputy pan and now do koku for na ban or mo dia ka in terms of energy a dear pan on their account. Megawatts and they should just tell us say you buy and you the 1, 2, 3, 4 at the account. Nothing. All the megawatts we have about 3,000 and over and that. President Kufuor the 80 count. They are can NDC. So NPP should stop deceiving Ghanaians. NPP should stop lying in terms of infrastructure, even here in Ashanti region.